Everyone, Sunil here from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We are cleaning up the whole of a property today. So these are the pavers, most likely a concrete paver. Really mouldy, as you can see here. So we'll be cleaning all of these exposed aggregate concrete, cleaning up this kind of mouldy render here. You can see this wall is really bad as well. So right through the the bottoms of here, again mouldy render coming through here, down on obviously all these pavers here, as you can see. There's a corrugated roof up here, we'll do that. That's where we're going to do the gutters as well. Cleaning up right through here, and you can see here it's a fair bit of mouldy render. Tidy up some of those sections of render as well, in the corners, all this through here, as you can see. So we'll clean all these pavers up, again all these rendered walls, and then finishing through here, back to the entrance where my equipment is, and then we'll be doing all the driveway exposed aggregate. We'll be certainly doing soft washing, so on this meaning chemical wash, especially on the rendered walls, and probably also on the concrete, just to freshen it up, and then we'll show you the progress as we go and the end results. You'll hear from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Clean. I hope you can see this is completely transformed. This is all black, these tiles. I'm taking this video now because I'm just kind of pushing the boundaries on light levels, and I wanted to show you this. It's probably a little bit late in the evening to do it. Never mind, it is what it is. But as you can see, the sense of space and light is just fantastic compared to where we started. Even through this area here, where the concrete hasn't quite dried, but it's just so much lighter and it feels more spacious. Beautiful home. The render on this, they've done a magnificent job. As you can probably remember here, all these sections of render were really bad, really mouldy. It's all come up really beautifully. Look at this now here through here, the tiles, all of this render up here. If you remember, all of these walls were just absolutely disgusting. They've all come up magnificent. So I'm really happy with this. I think the clients, I mean, unfortunately they're having to sell it, which is a real shame. It's such a lovely home. All these render walls were washed down. Did the corrugated roof on here as well. And then through here, this is all cleaned up now. So we'll be doing the windows next. This rendered wall has come up really beautiful. All of that's been mouldy. And again, this was a completely green-black wall. So fantastic. And again, just when you walk in this space, it really has this quality and feeling of space and light. And that's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing, both in terms of presentation, but also in terms of enjoying the space and having a sense of well-being. Light is so important for well-being. I'm just finishing off here in the garage now, so I'm just doing the external. I've just had to clean this drain out as well, so we've done that for the customer as well, just because it was completely and utterly blocked, non-functional. The drain was completely blocked, so we've taken all the grates out, and that's where we're at, folks. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and certainly we've enjoyed the work, and are grateful for the work, and also the client, most importantly, is really happy. Thanks for watching.